Fusion Mobile, quality e-learning experience on the go.
Good day, you're welcome to Fusion Mobile e-learning class. My name is Bolaji. I'm here to speak on the subject mathematics, and topic before us today is statistics. Now, we are going to be considering under this statistic, measure of center tendency, mean, median, mode of ungrouped data. We're going to be considering all this one. Now, what is measure of center tendency in statistics? Measure of center tendency is defined as a various statistical measure used to obtain a single number that is considered the most representative value of a series of data. That is considered as the most representative value of series of data. That is called measure of center tendency. Now, there are three commonly used measure of center tendency. These are the mean, the median, the mode of ungrouped data. Others are the quartile, the percentile, decile, geometric mean, and harmonic mean. But we are going to be centering our focus, our knowledge on the mean, the median, the mode. Number one, mean. Now, what is mean? Mean is the sum of all the items in a set of data divided by the number of items in the set of the data. That is the meaning of mean. Mean, which means sum of all the items in a set of a data divided by the number of items in the set of that data. That is the meaning of mean. Now, let me give an example under mean. Find the arithmetic mean of the number 40. Find the arithmetic mean of number 40, 25, 40, 25, 45, 30, and the last one, and 28. Find the arithmetic mean. Now, we want to look for numbers that can be representing this number in 6 ungrouped data. Now, this 6 number has a single number that can represent it in terms of mean. So, therefore, how do we calculate the arithmetic mean of this number? You write solution, and from our definition, we said that arithmetic mean is the sum of all items in a data divided by the number of items in that data. That is arithmetic mean. Therefore, let us follow our definition. And in statistics, there are symbols. There are symbols. The symbol of arithmetic mean is denoted as this. That's the symbol of arithmetic mean. Therefore, the numbers of this occurrence, the numbers of items, is denoted as this. That's the number of items. Is denoted as the numbers, the total sum of the occurrence is denoted as this. The arithmetic mean is denoted as this. The number of items is denoted as this. While the sum of the item is denoted as this. Now, we want to calculate this because it is ungrouped data. When we move up, we will see that there is changes in the formula. Now, we have the arithmetic mean. The formula is given to be summation of x over n. That is summation of x over n. What is x? X is a marks, that is the number of marks. While n is the number of the datas. Why this summation is denoted as summation. Therefore, arithmetic mean is computed to be summation of x over n. Our x is given to be 40, while our summation x is given to be 40 plus 25 plus 45 plus 30 plus 28. Now we will sum everything up, and the answer to it, check your calculator, is 226. We have 226. That's the sum of all the items, 226. Then the number of items, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, which is equal to 6. Then our x are 40, 25, 45, 30, 58, and 28. Now, therefore, our arithmetic mean is 226 over 6. 226 over 6. Check your calculator. The answer is 37.67. 37.67. 37.67. The arithmetic mean is 37.67. That's the arithmetic mean. That is, we sum all the numbers of the item, then we divide it by the numbers of the item, we get our arithmetic mean. Therefore, this is how we can calculate mean. I would like us to do few evaluations to test our knowledge over this topic, and one of the measure of central tendency mean, I want us to see how far we've understood it. Wow, you're welcome back. I want us to move forward by considering another sub-topic under these statistics, which is called median. It's one of the measure of central tendency. Now, what is median? Median is the middle number in a given set of score or data. It's the middle number. How do we find the middle number? 1, we can arrange it first from the ascending order, 2 from descending order. This is another method of us finding the median. As we move forward, we can also use another method to find the median. But on this topic here, we are going to be using ascending order and descending order to find the median of ungrouped data. Therefore, let us take this example. Find the median of the following set of number: 15, 15, 10, 25, 15, 10, 25. That is, find the median of the following number: 15, 10, 25, 3, 5, 16, 23. (15, 10, 25, 3, 5, 16, 23). Find the median. Now, solution. Now, the first thing that we have to do is for us to arrange this number in ascending order. What do I mean by from ascending order? From the lowest to the highest. That will not give us a clue on where the middle number lies. Let us arrange this number. The first one is 3, 5, 10, 15, 16, 23, and 25. This is how the number is. Then you put an arrow, ascending order. So this is a method that can help us to find the middle number. Now let us find the middle number 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the middle number is 15. The median is equal to 15. Now the answer is 15. The median using ascending order method is 15. I would like us to do some few evaluations so that we know how far we understood this median using ascending order method and descending order. Wow, I am confident that you'll be able to solve few questions ahead, and I believe that you've already understood this topic very well. Let us move forward to mode. 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 When they say mode, what is frequency? Mode is the most number that contain the highest frequency. Now, let us give example of a mode. The result of a mathematics test of some group of students are 20, 15, 15, 15, 10, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 12, 7, These are the result of certain group of students that took a mathematics test. Now, what is their mode? When you check these marks they have, this is the mathematics score. I would like you to use solution so that we will not waste our time. Now, I want us to use a table in this aspect. We have their column. This is score, and this is the frequency. Now, the word frequency has come into place. The word frequency is telling us that the numbers of occurrences, how it occurs, in how many times does the items, the data occur. That's what frequency is telling us. Now, let us start from here. We have 2. How many times 2 occur is 1. That is, how many times does the student score 2 is 1. How many times 3? 1. How many times 4? 1. How many times 5? 1. How many times 7 is 1. How many times 12? We have 1. Then we still have to continue. For each of the marks, they have the time of occurrences. Now, how many times 10? 1. How many times 15? 1, 2, 3. We have 3. How many times 20? We have 1. Now, from here, we discovered that from our table, it's very glaring that the number of marks they score and the time at which, as in the number of time they score these marks. That is, how many students score 2 was 1. How many students score 3 was 1. 4, 1, 5, 1, 7, 1, 12, 1, 10, 1. But here, we have 15 students that score 3 marks. This is telling us that this is the highest, the most occurrence. In terms of their frequency, is the highest frequency in this question. Therefore, 15 is the mode. 15 is the mode. That is how we can calculate our mode. I would like us to solve few evaluation to see how far we understood mode, so that we now know how we are. And if you still think that you still have a shading mindset, I would like you to rewind back, because these are the major measures of center tendency, the mean, the median, and the mode of a given set of data. Thank you. Wow, you are welcome back. I'm so much delighted because you understood the major measure of center tendency. Let us move forward by considering this example on frequency distribution of measure of center tendency. That is the frequency distribution Earlier on, I introduced to you frequency, but now I want to show you the frequency distribution of measure of center tendency. Example, calculate the mean, the mode, and the median of this distribution. Calculate the mean, the mode, and the median of this distribution. We have numbers of chance and we have frequency. Number of chance and frequency. Numbers of chance and frequency. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then the frequency of 1 is 2, 7, 5, 4, 9, 7, and 6. Now, the question is calculate mean, median, and mode. Calculate mean, median, and mode. I would like us to see this table. Very easy for us to know, but we have to be very careful in solving our answer. Now, remember earlier on, I've introduced what is called frequency to you. Then I show you the meaning of X. Now, there is a method that I want us to use. With this diagram, with this table, we can still create our own diagram by showing us another tabular form of how to answer the question, and we get the answer correctly. But there is this formula of mean that I want to introduce to us now, pertaining to frequency of a measure of center tendency. Now, let me show you the formula for this mean. It means summation of fx over summation of frequency. Now, we know what is the meaning of frequency. Now, the meaning of this summation of fx over summation of frequency. Summation of fx means the sum of multiplication of frequency with the x. And what is the x? These are the x. Why the frequency are this? We multiply this, with this, and then we sum it all over sum of the frequency. We sum the frequency, we divide it by the frequency. Now, solution to it. Solution to it. Now, the first thing we have to write is our x. The second one is frequency. The third is fx. Now, the x here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. While the frequency of 1 is 2, the frequency of 2 is 7, 3 is 5, 4 is 4, 5 is 9, 6 is 7, 7 is 6. This is the frequency. Now, the meaning of fx means the product of f and x, which is 2. 2 times 7 will give us 14. 3 times 5, 15. 4 times 4, 16. 5 times 4, 20. 5 times 4 is 20. Then 5 times 9 will give us what? 45. 6 times 7, 42. 7 times 6 is 42. Now, we have to know their sum. What is the sum of the summation of fx? The answer here is 176. Use your calculator. 2 plus 14 plus 15 plus 16 plus 45 plus 42 and plus 42. The answer here is 176. What is the sum of the frequency in this question? The sum is 40. That is 40 students. It is 40 students, and then the number of chances that occur is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now we have known our summation of this and the summation of this. Let us substitute our value to get our mean. Mean is equal to 176 over 40. Summation of fx is 176, while the summation of f is 40. Therefore, our mean is equal to 176 divided by 40, and the answer is equal to 4.4. 4.4. Wow, that is the answer. 4.4. Now, let us continue to solve this question again. What is the mode? Because the question says calculate the mean, the median, and the mode. We've calculated our mean. Now, the next thing is for us to calculate our mode. Now, check here. Check our table that we just drew, because it gave us a clue on how to solve this question effectively. Even in the table here, it's very easy. Now, what is the mode? The modal number in this table. Now, look at here. We have 1, we have 2, 2, we have 7, 3, we have 5, 4, we have 4, 5, we have 9. Then 6, we have 7, 7, we have 6. Now, we can discover that 9 in terms of frequency is the highest. And what is that chance? That chance is 5. So, the mode which we define as the most occurrence in a frequency is shown that 5 has the highest frequency, which is called the mode. So therefore, we don't have to work too much. We have to still come back to even our table here. Discover that the frequency is 5 here, which has pointed that this is the mode. So it has the highest frequency, and the one that has the highest frequency is the mode. We just come to our chance, and 5 is the mode. As simple as that. Very easy, because even when we look at the table, we discover that it has been arranged from the ascending order from 1 to 7, which has given us easy access to calculate this mode. Therefore, the mode is 5. Now, the question before us has not been yet concluded. We have to find the mean, the median, that is the middle number. How do we find the middle number in this kind of question? Now, the middle number, which is called the mean. Median. The median, when they say median, is called middle. Median, middle. That is, in a set of a given data, the middle number is called the median. Now, pertaining to this question, when you look at this question on the board, you discover that we have 1, it occurs in 2 places. We have 2, it occurs in 7 places. So therefore, it's very easy for us to arrange this type of a set of data in ascending order. Let us start. Arrange the set of data in ascending order. How many 1 do we have? 2. 1, 1, comma. How many 2 do we have? That is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many 3? Which is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many 4? We have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many 5? That is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many 6? That is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many 7? That is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, you could see that we have arranged this number in ascending order. You have to put your comma so that you know exactly where this number is. So this is the ascending order. This is the ascending order. So therefore, how do we now find our middle number? We have to count it. I want us to follow how we count this thing now, so that we can know our new middle number. Before we can know our middle number, let us first count the total frequency, the total occurrences. When we know the total, then we now know where the middle number lies. Let us start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. We all know that the summation of this frequency is 40. So how do we find our middle number? That shows that we can have 20 here, we can have 20 here. Now let us first count 20. We first count 20 so that we now know where this middle number falls. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now let us count another 18 one side also before we conclude that 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now, that shows that we have 18 one side. Let us still count for this side. 19, this one is 19. Here we now have 20. So, and also here we have 20. So we now have two numbers that fall in the middle. That is 5, 5. One, you have two numbers in terms of median. Two numbers in terms of median, we have 5 and 5. They fall in the middle. What we are going to do for this measure of center tendency is that you will do like this, that 5 plus 5 divided by 2. That is 5 plus 5 divided by 2. And the answer is 5 plus 5, we have 10. You divide it by 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 5. So the middle number in terms of measure of center tendency using frequency table as a method is 5. I would like you to understand this topic very well. But if you still have a shady mindset, I'd like you to rewind back so as to see how we use frequency table to find the measure of center tendency, which is very easy for us. As we proceed, I will want you to still solve more questions. More questions will give you the clue on this method. Thank you. Wow, I am confident that you understood this topic, and in my concluding statement is that I would like you to solve as many questions as possible so as to test our knowledge on how far we have gone in one, to know the statistics based on the measure of center tendency. The major one is the mean, median, and mode. The other one that I explained earlier are percentiles, decile, geometric mean, harmonic mean. These are the minor parts in terms of measure of center tendency. And remember, we define measure of center tendency as a statistical measure to consider a representative number in a set of given data. So therefore, I would like us to read very well concerning this statistic, because this topic is the basis for how we still move forward in statistics. Thank you.